Need to file a business insurance claim but not sure where to start? Let's go step by step so you feel confident doing it. Step 1. Check for safety. If there's any risk to people, address that first. Call emergency help if necessary, even for what seems like small incidents. Step 2. Prevent more damage if you can. For example, turn off water if there's a leak, or unplug equipment if there's an electrical issue. But avoid touching or moving anything more than necessary until your insurer gives the go-ahead. Step 3. Document thoroughly. Write down what happened, when it happened, and who was there. Take clear photos, both close-up and wide shots. Get statements from any witnesses if possible. Step 4. File your claim right away. A quick submission means next insurance can start reviewing it sooner. Step 5. Stay connected with your claims advocate. Respond quickly to calls and emails and provide documents they request. This helps speed up the process and keeps you in the loop. If you want coverage that's easy to manage and built for small business owners, click the link in my description and get your quote from Next Insurance today.